Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Trader Zone. So in this video we are going to see about how to open a account in the international crypto trading exchange, which is Binance. So it is one of the very good trading exchange, guys, for the investors, the swing traders, as well as the scalpers and the intraday traders. So all those kind of members and members with all those kind of trading style can able to make a very good trading experience with the Binance. So before getting into this video, I would like to say about our YouTube channel. The name of our YouTube channel is Happy Traders Zone. So please do subscribe our YouTube channel and get part of our Telegram channel, where I will be providing our in the description section. I will be providing our Telegram channel link, so you shall get part of our Telegram family, guys. And now let us get into this video. So to get into this page, you just click on the Binance account opening link. I will be providing this account opening link in the description section. So from that link you shall initiate this account opening process, guys. So just click on the link if you have been opening the account from the link which I have been providing. So you will be getting additional benefits in the upcoming days. So for now it will be a surprise to you guys. So just click on the link which will get you into this page. So from this page just click on the create account. So and here you need to mention the country where do you live. Just click on the select the country and click on the confirm, which will navigate you to invited to Binance section. So just mention your email ID and the password which you prefer, and make sure you have a very strong password, since it is a crypto. So it's always suggestible to use the very strong and strongest password, guys. So post you mention and click on the OK. It will ask you to mention. It will ask you to put the OTP, which will be sent to your registered mobile number or the email ID. So in the next screen just mention your OTP and click on the OK. In this slide, if you see, it will ask for the security verification. So it's not kind of the local exchange like mentioning the captcha. So just slide this puzzle into this empty space to get filled, and here we will have some green color confirmation, which will navigate you to put the OTP in the next slide. And post the once you put the OTP, our account has been opened just in 2 minutes, guys. So just in 2 minutes the account will be get open in the Binance. So post that we need to make a two-factor authentication to increase our security. So just click on the verify and you will be going to security verification. So just click on the phone verification or Google authentication, or else if you don't want to have a second kind of authentication, you just click on the remain me later, guys. So now the account has been opened, the registered account. Here we are having some green tick, which means the account has been registered. So next that we will be having the two-factor authentication. If you want, you can click on the verify and verify it. Post that we will be having our KYC verification. So one of the advantage in Binance exchange is your KYC will get verified within 15 to 30 minutes, maximum of 1 hour, guys. So post that, here we will be having a personal verification under the profile, and just click on the personal verification and click on the start now. So once click on the start now, excuse me, guys. So I have a bad throat today. Yeah. So just click on the OK. So post that you will be having the verify account. Click on the verify account. So you are allowed to put your name, date of birth, nationality. So mention your residential address, pin code, city, and mention your 10-digit PAN card. So I prefer to use the government issued ID card, which is Aadhaar card. If you prefer, you can use the same, or else you can go with the passport or driving license. So just click on the continue. So here we need to scan and upload our document. So just click on the print of document and take a snap of your document, and next to that we have a back of document, and take a picture of your document from the back side and click on the continue. So next it will ask you to take a live picture, guys. You shouldn't have your gallery, the images from gallery doesn't accept it. You need to take a live selfie. and just click on the OK. Now your account has been sent for the KYC verification. So post KYC verification, here you will be have the certification of green color completed sign, and in the top left top you will be having the verified symbol. So that's how we need to confirm that the KYC has been completed. So here in Binance we have two mode. One is light mode and is pro mode. So Binance light mode, currently we are in Binance light mode. So from the light mode we can able to add the payment method. If you see here we have the payment method. Just click on the payment method, and if you click on the payment method you shall able to view these informations. So from this we have a second option, which is P2P payment method. Here it's showing not added. I'm going to add now. Just click on the not added. It will get into this page and it will show no payment method. Just click add payment method. So make sure you enable the SMS authentication to ensure that the before the ensuring to add the payment method, we need to ensure to enable the SMS authentication. So just enable it, mention your mobile number and click confirm. Here it has been done. Post that you can able to add the payment method. So here we have the four kind of payment method. One is Paytm, IMPS, UPI, and the final one is bank transfer. If you prefer to use the Google Pay, just go with the UPI, guys. And if you are the well trader and you are very active, means you can, it's good to add all of them if you have. And post that, if you click on the add UPI, you will be having a screen like this. So just mention a name and UPI ID. If you want, you can upload the QR code, or else you can ignore and click on confirm. So it will ask for some confirmation. Just add a payment method. So post, you click on the payment method. So the it will be gets added into your Binance. So that's how we need to open our account, go for KYC verification, and finally adding a payment method, our bank account, which will get into the linked into the Binance Trade Exchange. So in our upcoming days I will be providing you how to make a trade, how to execute a trade, how to execute a swing trade, how to make a investment as a campaign. As a shorter form, what I am trying to say is how to execute a trade in the mode of scalping mode, or intraday, or swing trade, as well as in the investment. Those things we will be capturing in our next video. And one more thing, in our next video I will also show you how to take a leverage trade, and how to make a money transfer, how to deposit, and how to withdraw. Those things will be seen in the next video, guys. Yeah. So thanks for watching this video. So stay tuned and follow us on YouTube and Telegram, guys. Have a nice day. Happy trading. Bye.